welcome to or back to another video. My name is Ms. Angela Sawyer, and today we are going to be checking out some really cute things that I got off the Etsy website. First thing we're going to check out is this super cute dress. I saw it and I had to have it. And one of the things I really like about Etsy is all of the items are supposed to be handmade. So I think it's really sweet that people would take the time to make clothes or make wigs or any of those things, because you put your heart and soul into something that you create that's, you know, this beautiful. So let me show you the dress out of the package. Okay, and this is the dress. I'll take it out. And the dress does have a corset. One here. The dress has a corset that goes with it. It laces in 3 spots. It laces on each side, and then it also laces in the front. So this is going to take me a little bit of time to get into, but from the pictures I'm just so excited. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. So I'm going to set this aside and we're going to check out the dress. And here is the dress. So this dress has a little drawstring in the front, and let me stand back. Okay, it has little poofy shoulders. They're ruched in right here, and then they come out in flare. Same thing on the other side. And then the bottom is just this real nice layered fabric. If you will excuse me for just one moment, I'm gonna go ahead and put this dress on and put the corset on and show you. I'm like dying to show you, so hang tight and I'll be right back. I had to come up for air. I'm busy lacing this, and I got this side done, and I still have this side left. And don't look, because it's a secret, but I'll be right back. Alright, so I finally have the corset put together. While I was putting it together, I noticed something very interesting, and it kind of concerns me. Because one of the reasons that I purchased through Etsy is because things are supposed to be handmade. And earlier I said supposed to be because I thought this dress was like really elaborate for someone to have handmade it. And when I got into the corset, I noticed there was a tag. And I hope that someone in the comments might shed some light on this. I mean, maybe the hand makers are in China, but this says made in China. And usually things that are made in China are made really quickly. So I'm a little disappointed, because if this is made in China, I hope that people are getting paid well and everything. And if it is handmade, then like shame on me. And this is really great craftsmanship. But it kind of makes me wonder if it's not handmade. So give me 1 second and I'll get the corset on and I will show you the whole outfit. Alright, and here is the final outfit. So it did take some time to get this laced up, and I don't know if the sides are that great, so don't look at them if you don't like them. I really super duper wish that this thing would have come pre-laced, because I literally sat here for like, I don't even know, probably over a half hour just lacing this. But let me show you what it looks like all around. It is a little shorter than what I was expecting. I probably will wear some kind of like little shorts or something underneath, and then I think this will just look super cute with a pair of jeans. So let's try that. Let's try this shirt with a pair of jeans, or I mean this dress that's as short as a shirt with a pair of jeans. So hang on 1 second.
Hey Mom, do you know where any gloves are?
Okay, and this is what it looks like with some jeans on. I think that looks pretty nice. It looks nice and modest. So let me know in the comments, which do you like better? Do you like it without the jeans, or do you like it with the jeans? Let's go ahead and get on with our next item, which is a corset. When I ordered this whole outfit right here, they asked if I wanted the corset. And I thought it meant the corset that went with this. So I was like, yes, please give me the corset. But it actually was talking about a different one. So let me show it to you. The corset it was referring to is actually this blue. Looks kind of like it's denim, but it's not denim. Blue corset here. Whoops. It's hard to show you without it laced up. But once again, I have about 20 minutes of lacing to do. So I will be back in just a moment with this cute new corset on. And here is the other corset. Now, this one I do believe could be hand sewn. It doesn't quite fit properly. It seemed like I should wear it without a shirt underneath because how it was fitting. But then when I did, these straps were way, way, way too long, these ones. And then I couldn't really find a shirt to put it over either that had it fall right. So I don't know if I'm out of proportion or if the shirt is out of proportion. But anyway, it's still cute. It has these little dangly things here to make it look like, I guess, you're attaching it to some lingerie. But let me just give you a quick spin and show you what it looks like. So there we have it. And that was the set, and we are not sure if this is actually handmade because one of them said made in China. So just keep that in mind and let me know in the comments what you think. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and check out the next item I have to show you. It is a surprise. And next from Etsy is this awesome wig. I believe it was called the Miranda. And it has just a little bit of lace right here where this little teeny part is. The rest of it is non-lace, but you can't tell. I'll come up close so you can see it. See right here, there's just a little bit of lace. I don't know if you can see it. You're not supposed to, but this is the wig. So as I step back, it is fairly comfortable. I love the pretty long dark wavy hair. So the hair doesn't feel extra soft. It does feel a little on the coarser, rougher side. Combing through it though, it was fairly easy to comb through with a wig brush, which I definitely recommend you always use a wig brush. And then let me just go ahead and show you the back. Okay. This is what the top of the wig looks like in the inside. So there's just a little bit of lace right on the inside there. See if you can see it. There you go. And then the inside doesn't have any clips, but it does have one of those adjuster pieces. And then the rest of it is just a black wig cap. So that is what this looks like off of the head. There we go. I like to have one part to the front. I think it looks cool. Speaking of cool, let me show you the next thing that I'm going to show you. Where'd it go? Hang on. Oh, there it is. It's this. It's a plastic bag. Pretty neat, huh? Let me open it. It is another corset. Yes, I love corsets. Let me show. Whoops. That was the ribbon. Hey, gotta get that. Oops. Okay, so it comes with the string not attached. In that case, I'll see you tomorrow. Just kidding. Let me show you the corset. So it wraps around, and as you can see, it has little deals there for string to go through. And it also has a little hanger piece that's just going to get in my way, so I'll probably chop that off. But let's look at the tag here. So it says small, polyester, this and that. And this one too says made in China. And I swear I got these off Etsy. They took a long time to come, and I figured it was because they were making them. They were in China. So again, you know about this, please comment below. But I do think this is very pretty, and I'm excited to put it on. So give me, like I said, till tomorrow, but just hang on, because it'll be today in your time, just like tomorrow in my time. I will be right back. Okay, and here is the corset. So I did have to lace it up the back. I don't know how that looks, but this is the back. And I went ahead and paired it with this red top, which I thought would go nice with it because it had kind of a puffy sleeve going on here, and then some nice, a nice skirt and some shirls. So tell me which outfit is your favorite in the comments below. And let's get on with the next one. The next wig I have to show you is right here, and it is a dusty rose color. It came in this really nice Ziploc bag, and it says, "The best part of my business is you. Thank you for your order." So that's really cool, and it talks about leaving a review. So hopefully I'll be able to leave a nice review for this one. Okay, the first thing I notice about this is it has something in it to keep it from getting tangled. It's got some kind of detangler in it. And it smells great. Plus, look at this. This is a long wig, and look at, I can just run my fingers right through it. Yes. The hair feels really soft. I really like the feel of this hair. It's much softer than the other wig that I just showed you. This does have a full lace front, and then the inside looks really good. So, and this I believe is handmade. Not because of the quality, but I believe this one was handmade. I don't think that other stuff was, and I'm so sorry. I'll get off my tangent though. Oh my gosh, I'll probably have to cut that out. However many times I said that. So yeah, this one's nice. This has lace all the way around the front. So even into like your temple right there, it's got lace. That is nice. That's a lot of lace. That's great. It does have a clip near the temple area, or I mean near the crown area, and then it does have one comb on the left and one on the right side, as well as the adjuster clips. So this is one heck of an awesome wig. It almost feels wet, but I think it's just that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off this wig. I'll get right back with you. And the one thing I want to point out before I go is how nice this hairline looks. It looks like it's been pre-plucked. So we'll kind of see more once I get it on, but it looks pretty good. I'll be right back with this wig on. Hi! I absolutely love this wig. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is. It feels super natural. I think the hairline looks really natural. It's just really slick and smooth, and I think it's like a great color on me too, if I do say so myself. Let me show you the back. And let me show you the front. So here it is. It's pretty comfy. Like, I mean, I've only been wearing it for a few minutes, but I have to say, like, it's not squeezing my head. I'm not wearing a wig cap right now. I hope you can't see anything. You always can. In every single one of my videos that I don't wear a wig cap, I end up showing my hair. So hopefully this time I have it tucked up enough that you can't. I really like it. I really can't say anything else about it except for it's comfortable. I love the look. I love the feel. And I love you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe for more exciting content. I do all kinds of things on this channel. I post wig vids, I post refurbishing furniture vids, I post arts and crafts, I post fashion reviews, and anything creative and crafty in between. So if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. You don't want to miss anything because something might happen. You never know. But with that, I wanted to say, have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. See you in the next video. Peace out.